everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Learn with Moji. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, and if you are returning subscribers, you are part of the family. I love you. And how are you doing? How are you enjoying it? Without wasting much of our time, if you are seeing my face for the first time, this is Learn with Moji, and we are in the mathematics clinic class. And if you are a returning subscriber, please do well to share it with others. Let us all enjoy our break together. So now our first question in our text 9 says, we are still using. So this is the number 1. This is how it looks. So that is how it looks. So the question there is what? It has the shape of a cylinder. Number 2, what is the value of the figure 8 in this? This is the figure. We have 8, we have 5, we have 7, and we have 6. This is unit, this is tens, this is 100, and this is 1000. So the value of 8 there is what? 8,000, which is option B. Number 3, if 25 plus 145 plus 1000 plus 2005 is n, what is n? So what we have to do there is add all those numbers together, and it will give us the total number. So the first one is 25. We have 25. We have 145. We have 1000. You have to place your figures well. And we have 2500. This gives us 10. We are holding 1. This is 6, 7. This is 6, and this is 3. So that is 3670. Our n there is what? B. So now to number 4. Express 776 in words. The first one says 60,076, which is 1. Option B says 9,076, which is 1. Option C says 9,067, which is 1. Option D says 967, which is 1. And option E says 976. 976, which is option what? Option E. So now to number 5. The product of two numbers is 65. What is the sum of the two numbers? What that question is telling us that when you multiply two numbers together, we are having 65. So now when we now add those two numbers together, what will it be? So that will be what? 13 times 5. 3 times 5, that is 15. We are having 1. 5 times 1, that is 5, plus the 1, that is 6. So it means 13 plus 5, which is equal to 18. So our answer there is 18, because they are asking for the sum, not the multiplication. Number 6 says, a bell tolls every 30 minutes on the hour and at 5 past the hour. How many times does the bell toll between the time of 11:45 and 3:10? 11:45 to 3:10. So now the first thing is, let's look at how many hours do we have in between 11:45 and 3:10. Whatever this thing we have, we divide it by 2 to get the number of times that the bell will toll. So 11:45, when it is 12:45, that is 1 hour. 11:45 to 12:45, that is 1 hour. 12:45 to 1:45 that's 2 hours. 1:45 to 2:45, that is 3 hours. And now it's not up to 3:45, so 2:45 to 3:10. This is 15. We have 15 left here. That's 25 minutes. So that means we have 3 hours, 25 minutes. and we are told it tolls every 30 minutes. So this 25 is going to be useless. So we are dealing with the 3 hours, the 3 complete hours. 3 hours divided by 2, that gives us how many 30 minutes are we to find in 3 hours? That is 6 times. So our answer there is 6 times. So the bell will toll 6 times between 11:45 to 3:10. Number 7 question. They said the product of 65.43 and is 0.8. 65.43 and is 0.8. You need to place our figures well. By this, that is 24. You are writing 4, holding 2. 8 multiplied by 4, that is 32. 33, 34. We are writing 4, holding 3. 8 multiplied by 5, that is 40. 40, that is 43. You are writing 3. You are holding 4. And now 8 multiplied by 6, that is 48. 48 plus 3, that is 50. 48, that is 52. Then let's count it to place our decimal. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So our answer there is 52.344. Do we have it there? 52.344, which is option E. Now to number 8. What is the difference between 45 and is 0.45? 45, you can decide to put this, and is 0.45. Borrow 1, making 10, that is 5. Here we have 9 left, that is 5. Here we have 4 left and 4 left, so that is 44.55, which is option B. Now to number 9, we are stopping at number 25. Now to number 9, we are to divide, you are doing this by yourself without calculator. 14.658 divided by 0.6. The best way to do this, let's remove the points. So we are going to be having 14.658 divided by 6. 6 in 14, that was 2, remainder 2. 6 in 26, 6 times 4, that was 24. So we are having 2 left. The 2 comes to 5. 6 in 25, and the number we are having left, 6 in 18, that is 3. So then you place your figure, your point back, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that is 24.43. So now to number 10 question. We are told the value of m is 18, the value of n is 15, the value of p is 6, and the value of q is 3. So the question now is, let me write it out for you, for those who don't have the textbook. M is equal to 18, n is equal to 15, p is equal to 6, and q is equal to 3. So the question now is m plus n over p plus q. M is 18, n is 15, p is 6, q is 3. So what do you do here? 8 plus 5, that is 13. We are holding 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So that gives you 33, and this gives you 9. So you are going, how many times will 9 goes in 33? 9 times 3, that is 27. That is 3. 27. 33 minus 27, we borrow 1 here. This gives you what? 6. So we are having 6 over 9. You can still cut it. 3 can go here 3. 3 can go here 2. 3 here 3. So we are having 3 whole number, 2 over 3. So our answer there is 3 whole number, 2 over 3. So 11 question, a very small diagram was given. Number 11, let me draw it out. Divided into 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The first one shaded, this shaded, this shaded, this shaded. So the question now is, what fraction of the diagram above is not shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 over 7, that is our correct answer there. Number 11 says this. What? A pupil copied down a sum incorrectly using 1 over 3 plus 2 over 6 instead of 4 over 5 plus 1 over 6. What is the difference between the correct and the incorrect answer? So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to take 4 over 5 plus 1 over 6. We will attend to it separately. We are taking 1 over 3 plus 2, 1 over 5 plus 2 over 6. We add it together and attend to it separately. Then we subtract it from each other. So let's go. 4 over 5 plus 1 over 6. Let's leave that. Then we open another bracket. 1 over 5 plus 2 over 6. So what do we do here? Let's find the LCM. LCM of 5 and 6, that is 30. How many times will 5 goes in 30? That is 6 times. 6 times this, that is 24. How many times will 6 goes in 30? That is 5. Then that is 5. Then we are attending to this separately. The same LCM is 30. That is 6. That is 5. That is 10. So what do we have now? We have 24 plus 5, which is equal to 29 over 30 minus, that is 16 over 30. Then we find the LCM of these two. So LCM of 30 and 30, that is 30. 30 and 13, 1. That's 29 minus 30, 16. So if you have 29 minus 16, that is 13 over 30. That is our answer. Do we have it in the option? Yes. Option C. Now to number 12. Express 8 centimeter as fraction of 2 meter. They are not in the same. So we have 8 centimeter in fraction of what? 2 meter. What do you do here? 8 is, this will be 2 times 100, which is 2 times 100, which is 200. Then you keep cutting till you can't cut again. What should we use for straight instead of cutting? 4 in 8, that is 2. Then 4 in 20, that is 5. 4 in 0, so 1 over 25. So that is our answer there. Number 14 says, simplify 1 over 6 plus 2 whole number 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3. So we are finding the LCM. What question? So let's take it away and change it to improper fraction. 6 times 1, 6 plus 1. That is 7 over 6 plus 4 times 2, 8 plus 1. 9 over 4 minus 1 over 3. So we are working with this now. 6 in 12, that is 2. 2 times 7, that is 14 plus 4 in 12, that is 3. 3 times 9, that is 27 minus 3 in 12, that is 4. 4 times 1, we still have our 4. So that will be 14 plus 7 plus 4, that is 11. We are holding 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus the 1, 4 minus 4 divided by 12. So 41 minus 4, that is 37 over 12. So how much goes in 37? That is 3. So 12 times 3, that is 36. So that will be 1 over 12 or 1 over 12, which is option D. So now to number 15. Number 15 question says, in a class of 30 pupils, the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls is 2:3. How many boys should be added to the class to make an equal number of boys and girls? So they said boys there is number 15. We have the ratio is ratio 2:3, and the boys there is what? So the first thing to do now is 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. So the boys will be what? 2/5 times 30. That is for the boys. The girls will be 3/5 times 30. 5 here 1, 5 here 6. That is 2 times 6, which is equal to 12. 5 here 1, 5 here 6. 3 times 6, which is equal to 18. So the question now is, how many numbers are we going to add to boys to make the equal number with girls? That would be 12 minus 18 minus 12, which is equal to 6. So 6 must be added here to have 18. So now to number 16 question. Our number 16 question says, we have a small graph here. They said, how far was the cyclist from Lagos at 7 o'clock? All you have to do is go to the time. We have 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m., 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m. But the question is asking us 7 a.m. That is 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. Number 17. How far did the cyclist travel between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m.? All you have to do is go to where we have 8 a.m. We have 8 a.m. to be 15, 8:30 to be 8, and 9 to be 3. So you add this together, 15 plus 8, that is 23. 23 plus 3, that is 26. So that is 26 kilometers. So now to our number 18 question. Kofo saved 30 naira with the post office saving back for 2 years. At the end of this period, he received 2 naira 40 kobo as simple interest on his money. At what rate per annum was his interest paid? We are looking for 100 times interest over principal times time. So the 100 is constant. The interest there is how much? 2 naira 40 kobo. Let's change it to kobo. 200. The principal there is what? 30 naira. That would be 30,000 kobo, 3,000 kobo. And the time is what? 2 years. So let's start our cutting. Let's take these 2 zeros away. So we have 240 over 30 times 2. Let's take this away. So we are having 24 over 3 times 2. 2 can go. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we are having this, and that is 4. So the percent there is what? 4%. Now to number 19 question. Express 2 kobo as a decimal of 1 naira. 2 kobo as a decimal of what? 1 naira. So let's change it to the same unit. That would be, because to change 100 to kobo, that is, so this cuts this. We have 2 over 10, and that is, yes. So now to number 20 question. The volume of a rectangle solid is 280. If the length is 8 and the breadth is 7, what is the height? Now to number 20. The formula to get our volume is what? There is breadth times height. And we are told that the height has, so that will be what? Volume over length times breadth. The volume from the question is what? The volume there is 280 over the length is 7 and the breadth is what? 8. So you cut this and we get over 8, which is equal to 5. So now to our number 21 question. The cost of posting a letter within Nigeria is 5 kobo. What will be the total postage for 105 of such? That will be 105 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. We are holding 2. So that would be 5.525 kobo, which is equal to 505 naira 25 kobo. How long does Dare spend in class daily? And we are told from the question that the class ends 1:40. Let's start from there. Let's take the 1:40 to 24 hours. That would be 13:40. And we are told it starts 8:10. So let's take it away. Now we have 13 here. 8 minus 13, that is 5. So that is 5:30. And we are told they allowed 35 minutes break. Minus 35 minutes break. That would be 5 minutes break. So you take it away. That would be 554. So the answer there is 4 hours 55 minutes, which is option B. So now to number 23 question. If Dare goes straight home after school, at what time should he arrive? So that would be 1:40, and we are told he spent 25 minutes plus 25 minutes. And that is equal to what? 165, which is the same thing as 205, because 65 minutes is more than 60 minutes. Number 24 question. Kola took 5 naira to the market to do some shopping for his mother. He brought 2.5 kg of meat, and at 1 naira 50 kobo per kg. So 2 kg will be 300 kobo with the half. That would be 375 kobo. 40 worth of melon, 40 kobo for melon. For melon, 50 kobo worth of vegetable, 50 kobo for vegetable. They say how much money had he left? This is 5, this is 9, this is 16. We have 1. So you have spent 465 kobo, which is the same thing as 4 naira 65 kobo. And we are told he went to the market with 5 naira. 5 naira is what? With 5 naira, which is the same thing as 500. Okay, no, let's leave it as 5 naira. So this 4 naira spent in market, you borrow 1, you're making 10, that is 5. You have 9 left. 6 away from 9, so we have 35. So the boy will have 35 kobo left. Now to our number 25, the last question for today's class. A lesson which takes 1 hour 45 minutes starts at 10:35 a.m. What time does the lesson end? Number 25. It starts 10:35 and it takes 1 hour 45 minutes. So let's go. We are adding it together to know when. 5 plus 5, that is 10. This is 7 plus 1 making 8, 1 making 2. So we have 12 hours 80. So take away 60 from this 80. That will make it 13 hours 20 minutes, which is the same thing as 1 hour 20 minutes. Do we get that? So we have come to the end of today's class. If you have enjoyed it, please do well to share with others. And if you are seeing it for the first time, please subscribe. I love you. See you in the next class. Bye.